Assalamu alaikum friends. Today my topic is about building footing. Uh, Building footing work. In engineering, a foundation is the element of a structure which connects it to the ground or more rarely water transferring loads from the surface to the ground. Foundations are generally considered either shallow or deep. Footings are designed to transmit load to the soil without exceeding its safe bearing capacity to prevent excessive settlement of the structure to a tolerable limit, to minimize differential settlement and to prevent sliding and overturning. Let's now we check the process of executing work on site. This is the cross section of foundation. If you see there are different components shown in this cross section. First step is termite control. Second is polythene sheet. Third is plain cement concrete bed or blinding PCC. Fourth is footing RCC footing. Fifth step is neck column, uh, ground level. Sixth and seventh point is floor column. And now we see the executing work on site for uh, footing. The first step in footing is excavation work, earthwork excavation. The second one is after excavation is termite control, anti-fungus spray. Third is polythene sheet, thick 2 mm to 4 mm. Plain cement concrete bed or blinding. Thickness of blinding is 10 cm. PCC bed without reinforcement. RCC footing, reinforced cement concrete bed. Neck column from top of footing up to bottom of ground beam. Column ground level. 7. 8th floor column, part of column above ground level. Ninth is bitumen paint. Now we see there with some examples and details. Earthwork excavation for footing. This is the process of digging, and we zoom it. Earthwork excavation is the first step for footing. This is the process of digging earth on site where the foundation is to be laid. If you see there are the two picture, the excavation work. If you see there for footing, this is the first and this is the second. Now, what is termite control? After excavation, there is a process for termite control. After excavation, compaction is done on the earth surface and then it is treated with termite control anti-fungus spray. Generally, earth is treated. Earth is treated to control the attack of the insects. Control the attack of the insects to the structure and protect the substructure item from future damages. Liquid spray is sprayed on the surface of the earth and is kept open to the atmosphere for 24 hours to kill all types of insect which is likely to come in future. If you see there are two picture for termite control, or there are the two example in the pictures. If you see there below ground level, if you see these pictures, these are termites. Now polythene sheet. Polythene sheet is laid on the surface of the ground after termite control spray Generally, they are 2 mm to 6 mm thick. The purpose of laying sheet is to hold the water of concrete and not letting it to have a seepage on ground. Generally, when plain cement concrete is put on surface of the ground, the water from the concrete will come out and it will be absorbed by the earth. Then concrete will lose its workability and strength. There are the example for these are the example for if you see in the picture, these are the examples for polythene sheet which is spread in the room for concrete. These are also these two picture are also the example of polythene sheet. This is a very important. Now plain cement concrete PCC bed. This is also called a blinding. It is just a mixture of cement, sand and aggregate without reinforcement. Generally the grade of concrete for PCC is used as M7.5 with ratio or proportion of concrete as 148, where one one bag of cement, one represent one bag of cement, four represent four bag of cement sand, eight represent eight bags of aggregate, and 40 liter of water per meter cube. The thickness of blinding is 10 cm or 100 mm or zero point 0.1 meter. This is the plain cement concrete work for footing. Now reinforced cement concrete. This is the concrete with cement, sand and aggregate with reinforcement. Generally the grade of concrete is used as M50 with ratio 1 to 4, where 1 bag of cement, 2 bags of sand, 4 bags of aggregate and 30 liter of water per meter cube. Now neck column. What is neck column? The part of column which comes between the top of footing to bottom of ground beam is called a neck column. If you see there in the picture above the cross section, then there it is located below ground level. This is neck column. Now bitumen paint. In foundation we also paint our foundation with bitumen. It can be in liquid form or in sheet form. It is a black color paint painted to the structure which is underground before backfilling of soil. The purpose of using bitumen paint is to the first is to increase the life of the structure, give strength to it, to act as a waterproofing agent, and to save the structure from corrosion. If you see in the picture, there is a foundation up to plain beam, then they cover it with a bitumen paint. Also, if you see in second picture, there is also a bitumen paint for foundation. In this picture you see also the bitumen this is the in this picture this is the bitumen sheet. Now this was my topic. Today topic is my about footing foundation and its detail. Inshallah, see you in next video. Inshallah, friends, please like and subscribe my video. Thanks.